Vaco, I'm bored.
I'm bored too. Treelo.
There's nothing to do at the beach.
What was that? Is that a forklift lifting vending machines?
Vaco, look. Vending machines.
Chips, candy, and soda. Ratio.
Vaco, just hurry. Okay, it's my turn.
Treelo, Vaco, where did you get those?
The vending machine that Olga just lifted the vending machines and placed it on the beach. Just like we got some Skittles. 3 Skittles. 1 Starburst. Got 3 different flavors. 2 Mountain Dews. 1 Pepsi. 1 Crush. 2 Doritos. 2 Fritos bags. 4 chips. Got 4 candies. They're different.
Now for the vending test.
We pressed the vending button.
Treelo! Alright, I'm calling Chief Luggins and Inspector Senegat.
Ah!